What's up, guys? So I'm coming to you here from a beautiful beach here in Costa Rica called Flamingo. I usually come here every single year, but I'm actually in a mastermind with one of my team members and one of my first mentors called Zach. And we just decided to rent a beach house here and just come to mastermind for 7 days, share ideas and get things done, and at the same time just go and go to some beautiful beaches that are around this area. And pretty much in this video, I just want to tell you the truth about the internet marketing lifestyle. So I just want to get this out there, but I think that a lot of people that are just starting out in this industry are getting unrealistic expectations about the internet marketing lifestyle. So if you follow me on Instagram, if you follow me on YouTube, or even on Facebook, you might see that many times I just post a lot of pictures and videos and content like in the beach or in beautiful farms or like in the mountains and volcanoes. But it's not like I live in those places, like spend the most time of on those places. Like I actually spend most of my time just in my office, following my daily routine, waking up at 4:50 a.m., meditating, going to the gym, and getting things done for the majority of the day, and getting on calls. Like people don't see behind the scenes of what's actually happening. Like when you run a business, like yeah, I'm posting these really cool pictures, but that's because I just find it fun. I think it's like really cool to see these places, but it's not like I spend most of my time traveling. Like the problem is that all these marketers and so-called gurus are showing you how much money they make, how much money they travel, but honestly, like if you're just traveling all around the world and you're just getting started, just because you made some money, you start traveling and spending all your money, like you will run out of money pretty quickly. What these people don't tell you is that they have to pay taxes, they have to pay for business expenses. It's really expensive to start traveling. So yeah, they sell you this amazing lifestyle that you can create a business and you can start magically making thousands of dollars a day without putting in the work, or maybe you just follow 3 simple steps and you start getting results. But I'm going to tell you, I've been in this industry for years, same as Zach, and we both conclude that all that stuff is just BS. Like, yeah, it's really cool. Like, you see this amazing background. It's not like I actually come here every day. I usually get out of the routine like once or twice a month just to go chill and free my mind from all the the thoughts that I have. But it's like 1 or 2 a month. Like most of the time I'm just grinding, I'm just putting in the work to build my businesses. And yes, you have the freedom to pretty much take the vacation whenever you want when you have an online business, but that doesn't mean you should, right? So you gotta be very careful, because a lot of people in the internet marketing space are gonna sell you this idea they can literally just not do anything and turn on the ads and you will just be printing money while you're drinking a beer in a hammock. Right, so I just want to be very, very real over here and tell you that yeah, you can take vacations, you own your time, but if you just go crazy and do whatever you want while you're building your business, you're gonna lose all the momentum. It's gonna be not practical, because the money that you're spending just on fun, you could be reinvesting in your business. And you gotta think like years ahead. It's not about making money now. Just think about how your life will look like. Like you gotta really think about putting in the work. People don't tell you how much work you actually have to put on this business. You have to put in the work. You have to actually have an action plan and follow it every single day. And yeah, in the future you might be able to take the vacations and have this lifestyle that you want, but put in the work. It's not that you can start without money. People also tell you can start with $5, so you can start with $10. Come on, man, we all know that that's not true. That's why I tell people, like in the beginning, if you have no money, don't start with e-commerce, because it takes money, it takes capital. Start with services, start trading your time for money, start selling stuff, whatever you have to sell in your house to make some money. But that's just the real thing. That's the background part of the back part, the other side that people don't tell you about marketing. And even if these gurus tell you that you can do it, just know that you have to put in the work. You need money, and it's not about just taking vacations every day. You gotta put in the work, and yes, when you make it, when you have a system and your business is kind of automated, you can take this time off for yourself for sure. I think it's having about balance in life, but it's not only about just believing that you can sit on a hammock, drink beer, and push a button and magically make millions of dollars. Apart from that, that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. There's going to be a link below this video. Apart from that, hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next one.